My Lord, Nrisimhadev, I am now so competent. Give me your service directly. No. Tava vritta seva. First of all, give me the opportunity to serve your servant. This is Vaishnava. So, why it is required to serve Vaishnava? If you want to get relief from this conditional life, then you have to serve Vaishnava. Chariya Vaishnava Seva Nistar Peche Keva. This is it. Who has got, liberty from this entanglement of material existence? Chariya Vaishnava Seva. If you do not serve a pure Vishnu, Mahat Sevadaram Mahurvu Mukti, this is everywhere. If you want liberation from this material entanglement, then you must take to Mahat Seva Daram Ahurvi Mukti. You must, there is no alternative. Tasmad Gurum Prapaddeta Jigyasu Sreyuttamam. If you are actually interested to inquire about the transcendental subject matter, you must accept a Guru. Tasmad Gurum Prapaddeta. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadakshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. So these are the ways. You cannot understand by your erudite scholarship what is Krishna. It is not possible. Then Krishna would have instructed Bhagavad Gita to finding out a very great Vedantist. No. Krishna found Arjuna. What was Arjuna? Arjuna was a grihastha, Arjuna was a kshatriya, and a soldier. A soldier is not expected to become a Vedantist. We recruit soldiers not from the Vedantist group. One who can fight, one who has got strength, we recruit soldiers. So, Arjuna was not very qualified in that way to understand Bhagavad Gita or instruction. But Krishna says, yes, I will speak to you. This Bhagavad Gita, the parampara is lost, so I shall again speak the whole thing to you. Why to me? Bhaktosi, priyosi, because you are my bhakta. You are my priya. So by scholars say one cannot understand Bhagavad Gita. That is not possible. One must become a servant of Krishna. Then one can understand what is Bhagavad Gita. Otherwise it's not possible. Sa evang jananga nipatitang prabhahikupe. Vahikupa. Vahi means the serpent. We have got this serpent surrounded by us, surrounded all round. What are the serpents? The senses. Everyone, we are in the dark well, surrounded by serpents. This body. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has sung this song. Sharira avidya jal, jarendriya tahe kal. Kal means serpents. Kala sarpa. Kala sarpa, it can bite at any moment and finish it. We are being bitten every moment. It is Krishna's grace that we are living. Otherwise, our senses are so dangerous that it can bring me down at any moment. Kala sarpa. There are many places. Kala sarpa patali prutkhata danstrayate. One devotee says, yes, I am surrounded by Kala sarpa, the serpent, just nice. But I can break the teeth. But the Kala sarpa is the, what is called that, fangs? If they are broken, they are taken out, they are no more dangerous. Dangerous. They are dangerous so long the fangs are there. So, Pratkhatadam state, Sri Prabhupada Saraswati said, Kala Sarpa Patali Pratkhatadam state. Yes, I have got my Kala Sarpas, but by the grace of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I have broken the fangs. So it is no more fearful. How it is possible? By the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it is possible. Just like you can break the fangs of there are expert snake charmer, because this poison is required for some medicinal purpose. So they take it out. Then it is useless. But they again grow. The body is so made of the snake, even if you take once the fangs, again it grows. That is stated here. How it is possible? Kama bhikama anuja prapatan prasanga. Once it may be broken. But if you have bad association, then again it will grow. Kama bhikama. One lusty desire produces another lusty desire. In this way, one after another, this is going on. That is the cause of our repeated birth and death. Bhutya bhutya praliyate. So therefore, if we want to enter into bhakti platform, then we should give up this. Anna vilasita sunnam. Anna vilasa sunnam. How it can be zero? I am a living being. How it can be zero? I am always thinking, planning. I have got so many desires. They say, one who does not know what is the position of a living being, they say, give up desires. Desire less. That is not possible. Desirelessness is not possible. Because I am a living being, I must desire. Therefore, desires may be purified. That is one thing. You cannot make the desires zero. That is not possible. Sarvapadhi vinirmuttam tatparatena nirma. Now our desires are there according to my designated position. I am Hindu. I am Muslim. Why shall I take Krishna consciousness? Because I am designated. I have taken this designation. I am Hindu. I am Muslim. I am Christian. Therefore we cannot take Krishna consciousness. This is Krishna is Hindu God. Krishna is Indian. Why shall I take Krishna? No. You have to be desireless, means you have to purify your this false understanding that I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Christian, I am Indian. This has to be purified. One has to understand that I am Gopi Bhattu Padakamale Udas. I am the servant of the servant of the servant of Krishna. That is purification. Then desire. Then you will not desire anything except Krishna's service. That is purpose. When you come to that platform that you desire nothing but to serve Krishna, always 24 hours, then you are liberated. Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam tatparatena nirmalam. Then you become nirmalam, without any material tinge. In that position only, Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti Vichyate. Then my senses will be there. Not that I become senseless, nonsense. No. My senses are there. They will act. They will act for simply to serve Krishna. That is one. So that can be possible when you are trained up by the servant of Krishna. Otherwise it is not possible. Thank you very much.